All right, Big Daniel, Import Life Media, and today I'm gonna teach you guys how to remove your rims and tires, including your lug nuts, without scratching anything, okay? So check this out. You just bought yourself a new set of rims. Brand new, they look nice. Two, replace the old ones, okay? So these gotta come off. We're gonna put these on. So now, because these are brand new, you don't want anything happening to them. You don't want any scratches or anything like that. But that naturally happens all the time. So now I'm gonna show you how to prevent all of that so you never have to worry about it again. Scratchless removal. Check this out. Yo!
Man, these cars are crazy. Did you see that?
Okay, so now when you are removing your rims, naturally you have certain tools that you can use to remove your lug nuts, to remove the rims. Now, one thing about this, these lug nuts over time, if you can see, they start to get dented, scratched up, start chipping away. And even with the tools that you use, the inside of this barrel from metal hitting metal, things like that can start to also wear away and scratch. Even if you can see right here, inside, it starts really just getting messed up. But you spend a lot of money on some new rims and you want to avoid that. So, this is what you have to do. As you can see, inside, it's nice, clean, beautiful. And we want to keep it that way, right? We want to keep it that way. When you buy rims, you get tools. Boom. Now, this is to remove the lug nuts. Lug nut goes inside. Perfect. And then it goes onto the vehicle. But even this lug nut going in and out of here can start to scratch and mess this up. So there's a couple ways to do this. Now, here's a little do-it-yourself. Here's what I suggest. If you don't want to go out and buy any type of extra type of tools or anything like that, you have your lug nut remover and your lug nut. This, you hear that? It can start to chip away. If you want to protect that, what you could do is, if you don't want to go spend any money, just get a plastic bag. Get a plastic bag and you put it over the lug nut remover. And now you get your lug nut, put it inside. And with that, that's gonna keep it from scratching on the outside. Very simple, like this, boop, protect it, protect it. Very simple, right? Easy. Now, here's another thing that you can do to protect your rims from this clanking around, okay? You can get some duct tape or any type of tape and literally just tape around this. And what that'll do is that'll create a type of barrier, a type of guard, So if any type of metal hits this, the duct tape is protecting it from any type of scratching or denting. So you can do duct tape around this, plastic bag in this, and you're good to go. But there is little accessories to help you out avoid all of this. So this is what I bought. These are some of the new gold lug nuts, and I don't want to mess this up at all because these are brand new rims and it's gonna look amazing on them. So they have a tool. You can order this on Amazon. They range from between $20 to $35, but what this is, these are lug nut protectors, okay? Now with all the different sizes from, we have 17 mil all the way to, what is this, 27 mil. This plastic barrier right here is already protecting it. Inside, there's another coating to help. What I'm gonna do, I'm still gonna put the plastic bag inside of here just for a second layer of protection. But with this, when it goes on, because it's plastic, it's not gonna hurt. I'd rather hear this, think clink, 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 put it on, nice and smooth, rotate. Protects this barrel and protects your lug nut. Let's get it going. Let's see how it works. All right, we removed the lug nuts and the rims. Like I was saying, you can see how damaged these lug nuts are just over time. You know, wear and tear and all that. And with the new ones, you don't want this to happen. You want to protect all your investment anytime you spend money. So let's go ahead, get the lug nut remover and protector, like I said, to protect anything from happening right here. All the friction with this is spinning. You don't want to be spinning metal on metal or trying to get it in and out and you're click clacking. This protects it, okay? Highly suggest you get one of these. Not sure the company, not endorsed by anybody, but yeah, this is a very good one. Good tool to have. So let's get it in. But like I said, even though it's protected inside, I'm gonna still do the plastic bag trick to make sure that nothing happens to it. Let's do it just hand tight first before we just go ahead and use the impact. It's always very smart to do that. Yeah, very easy. Nice and smooth. All right, there you have it. Switched them out, no damage at all, very clean. And whether you have a flat tire or whether you want to switch your lug nuts out, your rims out, or just alignment, do whatever. It's always nice to have this tool and keep it with you in your car, whether you're working on it or somebody else is, just to protect it. Let's go ahead and do the back tires and then we'll be done with the video. But yeah, it works. All right, and just like that, we are done. Let's lower the car, see how it looks. Very nice, very nice. So just a quick review. If you do not want to spend money to buy a new tool, like I said, you can always use the bootleg method, which is using the lug nut key that came with your rims. Wrap this in duct tape or some type of tape to protect it. And then go ahead and put the plastic bag inside of here to protect your lug nut. Really not hard. Or you can buy a kit like this that not only comes in your size, but if you have other vehicles or your friends or whatever, it's here for you. And this will do it. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Okay, that was a little remix. But yeah, if you liked the video, if you felt anything I said was informative, or if you need to correct me on something, please do in the comment section. Make sure you like my page on IG at Import Life Media. And I appreciate y'all, man. And if you guys want me to do any other type of video in terms of like how to do, how to fix, anything like that, let me know and I'll bring it your way. You know what I mean? Just to not only educate you, but maybe also help out others. All right, y'all? Till next time.